some of the children asked to me that how to identify, how to form the noun gender. Children, unfortunately, there is not any such rules. There is not any such rules for to identify the gender, but only you have to memorize it regularly. Regularly you have to memorize it and consult with dictionary for new genders term. Hope you will do, but need to be attained on some spellings, some of the words given here, masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. So attained on that rules. Some of the rules I wanted to express you. The first rules: there are more than one way to form feminine names from masculine name. Like there are so many more than one ways to form feminine names from masculine way. There is no particular rule, but here is given some rules to know about that changes. First one, by adding ESS, that is ESS. Now just check it. What is that by adding ESS? Masculine. The example of masculine, that is host, HOST, it's host. Host comes under masculine gender. Lion, LION, lion. Lion comes under masculine gender. Steward, steward, its pronunciation steward, STEWARD, steward. Now the next one, prince, PRINCE. Now what the changes held in this masculine gender form? Look at this feminine gender. What the changes occur? By adding ESS, we can change the masculine gender by adding ESS to that. That is host. Host, we can add ESS. Then we pronounce the term hostess. HOSTESS. That is hostess. Lion, LION, and in feminine form it is LIONESS added to that lion, then it pronounce it lioness. Steward, STEWARD, then steward could be added with ESS, then it could be stewardess. Stewardess, STEWARDESS, that is stewardess. Now prince, PRINCA, it's adding with ESS. E is already put here, PRINCE, that only we have to add here only double S. Then it could be princess, PRINCE. Then horse changed into hostess, lion into lioness, steward into stewardess, prince into princess. Then in prince, but there is some rule change because prince last with E letter and the E letter doesn't change, so there could be addition of only double S. Then it could be princess. Now the next one, slight changes is masculine names before adding ESS. Then what could be the change? Masculine, that is ACTOR, it's actor. WIATER, it's waiter. MASTER, it's master. TIGER, it's tiger. Now, in feminine form, what are the changes? Have you recognized that changes? Yes, you are able to recognize if you just put your eyes on that. Actor, ACTOR. O will be replaced. Then ACTR. okay, R, and we add this ESS, then ACTRESS, then it will pronounce as actress. Then actor will be changed into feminine form like actress. Waiter, WIATE. Here E will be replaced. And it could be WIATRESS. Where is E? A is replaced. Here O is replaced. Now the waiter term in feminine form, it's pronounced as waitress. Now master, MASTER. In master, have you seen that A and E replaced? The two letter A and E replaced. Master, then A is changed into I. Then MIST and E will be replaced. And RESS. Then it will be mistress. 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 Now the last one, tiger, TIGER. That E removed and it will be tigress, TIGRESS. R is added with ESS. R is added with ESS. In waiter, R is added with ESS. And in actors, R is added with ESS. All of you have seen that R is added with ESS. In waiter, R is added with ESS. In mistress, R is added with ESS. And in tigress, R is added with tigress. That actor will be actress, waiter will be waitress, master will be mistress, tiger will be tigress. Then there is the rule, you have to follow that. Actor, waiter, master and tiger. Now the next rule, by making some changes in the word masculine, feminine. Lad, lass. Totally change the word. Lad, lass. Widow, widower. ER is added here. Hero, hero. IN is added here to form heroine in feminine form. Bridegroom. Then in feminine it's bride. BRIDE. It's bride, dulhan. Lad, it will lass. Widow turn into widower, hero turn into heroine, bridegroom turn into bride. That is the changes, that is the totally changes of the word. Hero, heroine, widow, widower, lad, lass, bridegroom, it's bride. Now the fourth one, feminine names of compound noun are formed by replacing the part of the noun which shows gender. The first example, masculine and feminine. Land, lord. Makan, malik. Then landlord will be changed into land, lady. It is a compound word. It is made up of two words, land and lord. Land or lady. Now the next one, grandfather. Grandfather, dadaji. Grandmother, dadima. Grandmother, feminine form, grandmother. Now peacock, it's compound word, peacock. Then it will change into feminine form. Cock, the feminine form of cock is what? Hen. So it will change into peahen. Father-in-law. Then there will be mother-in-law. And what will be the change in compound word? Landlord, it's landlady. Grandfather, grandmother, peacock, peahen, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Now the next fifth one, by replacing word, that is totally replacing with a new female word, male word, king. Boy, wizard, brother. In female form, king changed into queen, boy changed into girl, wizard changed into witch, jadugar, Jadugarni, which brother changed into sister by replacing word, the total word replaced into a new word with new spelling. King, queen, boy, girl, wizard, witch, brother, sister. Now